everyone, I'm here to show you how to connect alt text to your images so that when you put them in Schoology, your screen readers can pick them up and your students have access to everything you're sharing. Let's go ahead and get started. So you can see here I have a Bitmoji Classroom. A lot of us are using them now to engage our learners and make everything look nice. That being shared, everything that you do with an image that delivers content or important messages in Schoology should have alt text connected to it so a screen reader can pick it up should a student need to use a screen reader. It's pretty easy to do, so let me show you how. You can see here I have today's learning objectives. I also have this in a slide deck because I think it's really easy to take your Bitmojis and all your images and just put them in a Schoology clip art slide deck for multiple uses. Then what I do is I take a screenshot of that and I put it on another slide. And this is where the magic happens. I simply right click on my image and I select alt text. Right here, you see a title and a description. I front loaded this. This is usually empty, but you can see I put my title and I put the description of the image, which would be today's learning objectives. And I hit OK. From there, I simply Control-C, copy that, take it over to my Schoology class. I'm going to make this an announcement since I want kids to know what the learning objectives are today, and I want them to stay at the top of their thinking, in the front of their thinking. So Control-V, paste that image in, make it an announcement with the little bell, and voila, I have posted that as an announcement. I'm going to go over to materials just to check. Here it goes. If you look up, look, it's still at the top of my materials list. Fantastic. How do I use this with a screen reader, though, you ask? Well, there's a couple different ways. So read write extension, you open that up from your Chrome extensions. It pops up. Most of our students are using the hover speech. So you click on hover speech and you just click on your image.
Today's learning objectives: explain and illustrate how a butterfly turns into a caterpillar.
And that's one way to do it. The other way you can do it is you can simply highlight and then once again, take that button off and play.
Announcement. Today's learning objectives: explain and illustrate how a butterfly turns into a caterpillar.
So once again, that's the way we use a screen reader. And that's why it's so important to make sure you have alt text attached to all of your images that are delivering important information or supporting learning.